Amica Washing Machine. How to reset. If your Amica washing machine isn't working as expected, a reset might help resolve the issue. The process is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. Follow these simple steps to reset your Amica washing machine and get it back to normal operation. Step 1. Pause the machine. Before resetting, check if the machine is currently running a cycle. If so, press the Start Pause button to stop the program. This will prevent water from spilling if you need to open the door. Step 2. Open the door slightly. Once the cycle is paused, gently open the washing machine door. Wait a few seconds to allow any remaining water to settle. This step ensures that resetting the machine won't cause accidental spills. Step 3. Hold the Program button. Find the button that corresponds to the active wash program. Press and hold it for a few seconds. This action puts the machine into standby mode and helps clear any minor software glitches. Step 4. Restart the washing machine. Now, close the door and turn the machine off completely. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. The washing machine should now be fully reset and ready for use. Step 5. Check for error codes. If your Amica washing machine is displaying an error code, refer to the user manual to determine the cause. Different error codes indicate specific problems, such as drainage issues, door lock malfunctions, or water supply errors. Understanding these codes can help you troubleshoot more effectively. Step 6. Run a test cycle. After resetting the machine, run a short test wash without any laundry. This will ensure that the reset was successful and that the washing machine is working properly. When to call a technician. If the reset doesn't solve the issue, there might be a deeper problem that requires professional assistance. In this case, contacting a technician can help diagnose and repair the fault. Now you know Amica Washing Machine how to reset, so you can quickly troubleshoot minor issues and keep your appliance in perfect working condition.